Excitement says it all. That just proves how iconic Usok's Dunkin' Philippines commercials really are. So the rules are simple. You just copy the scene from Usok's Dunkin' commercial that appears on the screen. And of course, since this is a commercial, I think we'll be needing props, right? You need your props. So can we bring in the props for this? Over there, okay. Wow, I see flowers, I see a bouquet. I see an umbrella, the orange umbrella.
Tropical.
There you go. Okay, thank you very much. All right, are you ready to reenact your commercial? Okay, so now that we have our props, we are ready. Let's check out the first photo. Yay, cute. Okay, I think we need the coffee cup for that.
Tropical? Where's coming?
I think Usok, maybe we can use this.
Oh, good.
There. Baka eksakto, di ba? This one 주세요. What? What did you say? 사랑해요. Okay. Ready? All right. This is it. Everybody, let's say, ready, action, Dunkin', 3, 2, 1. Oh, one more. You just say Dunkin', okay? Ready, action! Yes. Were you shy? Were you shy when you did that? You did it great. Did he nail it? Yes! Ang guapo! She said ang guapo. You know ang guapo? Guapo is handsome. Is Usok guapo? Okay, now, that was too good to stop. So let's try one more. One more? Okay, one more. Let's see our next photo. Ready, action, Dunkin'! There you go. Cue him, okay? You say Dunkin'. Ready, action! Dunkin'! Can you imagine him appearing at your doorstep, looking like that, ready to greet your parents? Wow, thank you very much. Yes, approve? Yes? He passed? Okay, very good. Thank you. That was such a sweet and heartwarming shot. Alright, and now on to our last pose for Ready Action Dunkin'. Let's see the photo. Ah, there you go. That's why there was an umbrella there. Dunkin', okay? Ready, action, Dunkin'! Wow, Usok and that Dunkin' umbrella is such a perfect match. There you go. Congratulations! You have made it to the end of Ready Action Dunkin'. Thank you very much.